This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English punctuation question. This question asks us to choose the right punctuation to go between our existence and this that is. So let's look at the sentence. The sentence says, creatures depend upon each other for their own existence. That is, the habits of one species enable another species to exist. So we see that we have a complete thought here. We have the idea of creatures depending upon each other for their own existence, and then it's going to explain what this actually means. So the habits of one species enable another species to exist. So another complete sentence, or something that can stand alone as a complete sentence, that is. And notice how I just said that is. This is a way to introduce an example or a clarification. So we have this idea, this creatures depending on each other for existence. This that is going to clarify it or state this idea in different words. And then we have another standalone sentence, the habits of one species enable another species to exist. So our first choice wasn't good because it had no punctuation here, and it's a run-on sentence, and it also makes it sound like existence, that is the habits of one species. So existence is a really difficult concept, but it's not the habits of one species, which it would sound like if there were no punctuation here. So that's not good. Choice 2 is similar. It has an and. It still makes it sound like existence, and that is the habits of one species. Like, it still makes it sound like existence is being equated to the habits of one species, and it also it's still a run-on sentence, even though there's an and there to connect these two long standalone sentences with an and. Choice 3 is good because it connects these two standalone sentences. As we know, a semicolon is often used to connect first sentence, semicolon, second sentence. That's good. It also sets apart the that is. So that is just a marker of an example or a clarification to follow. So it sets it off with a comma, and then you have your second idea. So this is going to be correct. Choice 4 is bad because it has a comma splice error. So you can't use a comma to connect two things that can stand alone. The only way you can do that is with a period or a semicolon. So choice 4 is bad. Choice 3 is our correct answer.